Hi guys, today we're going to talk about percent increase and percent decrease. So for example, a company made, let's say they made $200 last week. And this week they made $300. Okay. Did they make more money this week? Yes. So it's going to be percent increase. But we just want to figure out how much percent was increased. And that's when we use percent of change formula. So percent of change formula is new minus original over original times 100. That means new minus the original is you want to figure out how much was changed. And then you divide it by the original times 100. So let's take a look at it. It's going to be really easy if you really read the directions. So first example is find the percent of change from $100 to $80. So $100 became $80. So did it increase or did it decrease? Correct. It decreased. So we know that it's a percent of decrease. Okay. And which one is the new amount of money? This is new, $80. And $100 was the original. Is that right? So we want to figure out to find the change, percent of change by, you do new minus old over old times 100. Okay? So, what's the new amount of money, which is $80, minus, what's the original, what's the old amount of money, 100. And then we divide that by original, which was 100. Times 100. Because we always want to change it into percent. We do that by multiplying by 100. Okay? So it's 80 minus 100, which is negative 20. Divide by 100 times 100. When you do the math, it's going to be negative 20. So it's going to be negative 20%. That means 20% decreased. So you can say it's going to be 20% decrease. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the second example. It's the same thing. So find the percent of change from 24 questions correct to 36 questions correct. So is it percent of decrease or percent of increase? This person got 24 questions right first, and then 36 questions correct next. So it's percent of increase because it went from 24 to 36. So this is new. This is old. Is that right, guys? So we use the same formula. It's new minus old over old times 100. So when you're trying to figure out the percent of change, we always use this formula. New minus old over old times 100. Okay? What is new here? 36. Minus, what's the original? What's the old one? 24. Over, what's the old questions? 24 questions. So guys, it is really important that you label the original as O, new as N, then rest of them is piece of cake, times 100. Is that right, guys? So what's 36 minus 24? 36 minus 24 is 12. Divide by 24 times 100. Okay. I want everyone to grab a calculator. I want you to put this in your calculator. 12 divide by 24 times 100, which is, very good, 50%. It's 50. So it's going to be 50%. Since it's a positive number, it's increase. And if you really think about it, 24 questions to 36 questions, it increased. So 50% increase. Is that right, guys? So you have to remember a few things. When you do percent of increase and percent of decrease, you have to remember this formula. Percent of change formula is new minus old divided by old times 100. So you can think of it as no. That's one way to memorize it. And once you figure that out, you make sure you label what's old, what's new, and plug it in the formula. How easy is that? Okay, so we'll do more practice in class. Okay, I'll see you later.